Hi there, today I will show you how to get the unlinked app to your Fire Stick as well as how to set it up and the best code to use there. This way you will be able to get loads of amazing apps to your Fire Stick, such as movie apps, TV shows, live TV, live sports, and so on. And I'm sure this alternative app store will be really useful to you. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to do all that step by step. And firstly, you need to get the app code downloader to your Fire Stick. If you already have downloader on your device and it is properly set up, then you could actually skip this step. But if you don't have downloader yet, or you are unsure if it is set up correctly, then of course you gotta follow me. So we just need to open the search bar on your Fire Stick, go to search, and start typing downloader in here. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom now. You just click on it, and here's the app, which you need to get to your device. But then, after you got downloader, it's not over yet, because obviously you also need to make sure to set it up on your device. So now, in order to set up downloader, we need to go to settings by clicking this button with a gear icon, then you scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Let's open it. And in here, what you have to do is turn on the developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's gonna say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging. After that, go and open Install Unknown Apps. And in here, all you have to do is just locate downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps, which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So now we just go back to a list of apps on your Fire Stick. Let me open it, and here's the downloader, which we just got to your device. But then, after we got downloader, it is not over yet, because we still need to set it up. So to set up the downloader, but after we got the downloader, it's not ready to use yet, because before doing that, I always recommend connecting to a VPN first. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN, because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say you will connect to Finland right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet and you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video or in the description of this video, you will get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. So we just go back to the list of apps on your device, Let's open it up together, and now it is time to start using the downloader. So let's open it up together, and now there you need to open the search bar and enter a link, which will be unlinked.link. So let's enter that together. Once again, it's unlinked.link. So here you go, here's the link you have to enter. Just enter it exactly as you see and without making any mistakes. After that, click on Go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Firesticks. And then when this web page opens up for you, you just have to scroll down a bit until you see the Download APK Android button. That's exactly what we're looking for. You have to click on Download, and now the download of Unlinked Alternative App Store has started. Usually it takes only a couple of seconds to do so. After that, we also need to make sure to install the app to your device. So click on the installation button as well, and then just wait for a couple of moments. And after that, I do not recommend clicking open yet. Instead, it's better to press done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Fire Stick. So just click on delete and then delete once again. This way you will be able to save yourself some free space on your device. And it's really important because by default, your Fire Stick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And then we actually need to go to settings one more time, so let's do it. Open settings, go to My Fire TV, just like we did previously, then developer options, install unknown apps, and now this time you also have to turn this option on for Unlinked as well, because we'll be using Unlinked to get other apps from the internet for you. And then let's return to a list of apps on your device. Here it is. Let me open it. And now there at the bottom you will find Unlinked. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the Options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines, right next to the Home button on your remote. Just click on it and then you need to press on Move to Front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore, it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And once again, you can use a link below this video to get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free. Then let's finally open the Unlinked application. From here, you gotta click on Add a new library, and there we need to enter a code. You will pretty much need only one code in this application because it will have all the necessary apps inside. So the code is gonna be Firestick as a word. So yep, just enter Firestick. Let us do it together. Enter Firestick, just like you see on my screen, and then you click Next. And now finally you will get access to loads of movie apps, TV shows, live TV, and so on. I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact applications that are available inside. But in your case, of course, it's not gonna be blurred. So enjoy it all and see you next time. Bye bye.